Imagine a pulsar, a rapidly spinning neutron star, blasting out beams of deadly radiation with the power of 1 billion suns. These remnants of massive supernova explosions rotate so fast that some complete hundreds of spins per second, firing out pulses of X-rays and gamma rays like a cosmic lighthouse. If Earth ever drifted into the beam of a nearby pulsar, our atmosphere would be shredded, electronics would fail instantly, and life on the surface would be wiped out within minutes. Unlike black holes, which consume everything nearby, pulsars destroy from a distance, making them one of the deadliest threats in the galaxy. The question is, if we found a pulsar heading our way, would there be any way to escape? What do you think, friends? Thanks for watching the video and follow the Astro channel for more videos.